Hey everyone, welcome back to our LlamaIndex series. Today we are tackling a common RAG problem, retrieval accuracy. Sometimes searching through large chunks of text is too noisy, but searching through tiny chunks loses context. The solution? Recursive retrieval. We're going to build a system that searches through small child nodes, but actually retrieves the parent document to give the LLM the full picture. We'll be using Grok for the brain and Hugging Face for our embeddings. Let's get started. At first, let's install the requirements. We need the core LlamaIndex library, the Grok LLM integration, and the Hugging Face embeddings package. This sets up everything we need for advanced document handling. In step 1, we configure our environment. We load our Grok API key and initialize the Llama 3.370 billion model. For embeddings, we are sticking with the excellent open source BGE small model. Finally, we set these as our global settings in LlamaIndex so our retrievers and query engines know exactly which models to use. Now let's build our hierarchy. This is the most important part. We define a parent document, which is a broad summary of machine learning. Then we create child documents, which are smaller, specific sentences. Crucially, we add a parent underscore ID in the metadata of the children. This creates a link telling the system if you find this specific child, the real context is actually in this parent document. This is where the magic happens. We index only the child documents into our vector store. We then initialize the recursive retriever. Notice the node underscore dict mapping parent underscore 1 back to our parent underscore doc. When we ask, what are the types of machine learning? The system finds the child chunk about supervised learning, but instead of just sending that one sentence to the LLM, the recursive retriever recurses up to the parent, grabs the full context, and provides a much more detailed and accurate answer. To wrap up, recursive retrieval allows you to have the precision of small chunk search with the context of large chunk generation. It's a production ready pattern that significantly reduces hallucination and missing context. All our examples today were powered by the incredible speed of Grok. That's it for tutorial 07. We are moving into more and more advanced territory.